Somaliland, a self-declared republic in the Horn of Africa, has been formally recognized by Israel as an independent country. This is historic. But why now? And what is being exchanged for this recognition? Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu extended formal recognition to Somaliland and invited President Abdurrahman Erre to Tel Aviv. Israel will also open an embassy in Hargeisa. For Somaliland, this is a major diplomatic milestone. It's the first recognition from a UN member state. Reports suggest Israel may be exploring relocating Palestinians from Gaza to Somaliland. Egypt, Turkey, and Djibouti and other countries strongly oppose this, citing serious risks for regional security. Analysts warn that such a move could inflame tensions, potentially empowering armed groups in the region and creating instability across the region. Somaliland views this recognition as a step towards international legitimacy, while Somali sees this as a challenge to its sovereignty, reflecting the delicate balance in the Horn of Africa. Recognition is also linked to a broader political and strategic interest, including Israel and other international partners, especially in the Red Sea region. This recognition may elevate Somaliland's global profile, but it also raises questions about regional stability, security, and ethics. Somaliland's people, especially the younger generation who have grown up identifying only with Somaliland, are likely to celebrate this long-awaited recognition. Yet, challenges remain, including potential tension with Somalia and the controversial plan to relocate Palestinians. Recognition from Somaliland could transform Somaliland's future, but it comes with a risk. I'm Osman, and this is Somali Report.